Introducing the all-new Zero Motorcycles SR. Equipped with the revolutionary Z-Force 7510 motor and an all-new Z-Force 14.4 plus kilowatt-hour battery, the 2022 SR comes with an increase in power, speed, and range over its predecessor. The 2022 SR is the world's most adaptable motorcycle, thanks to the revolutionary Cypher 3 Plus operating system. Accessible directly through the Zero app, riders can choose feature and performance upgrades, including speed boosts, turn-by-turn on-dash navigation, and even an increased battery capacity. The all-new Zero 2022 SR.